The Gullah Grub is a locally owned catering business rooted in the Gullah tradition, serving authentic low-country cuisine. Gullah Grub is committed to using the freshest in-season ingredients. Create your own menu, or let us customize a menu that celebrates the Low Country and Gullah heritage. Born and raised in the Low Country, Chef Bill Green has been serving up mouth-watering dishes from gumbos to shrimp and grits to traditional oyster roasts, seafood boils, or barbecue. Bill's Low Country culinary knowledge has gained him notoriety all throughout the nation, and he was recently featured in the Netflix series High on the Hog that celebrates the origins and roots of American cooking throughout the South. Whatever the occasion, the Gullah Grub is here to serve. To get started, visit www.gullahgrub.com or call 843-838-3841.